This is one question that has been on everyone's mind. Everyone was affected by the COVID pandemic, but what were the origins of COVID? There have been multiple theories about this. About 5 years since the outbreak of the COVID pandemic, and researchers, intelligence agencies continue to tussle over the main scenarios for COVID's origin. A natural spillover from animals, or was it some kind of leak from a laboratory experimenting on coronavirus? Now, refuting the laboratory theory, a team of scientists say it is beyond reasonable doubt that it originated with a natural spillover from an animal or animals sold in a market in Wuhan, China. They came to the conclusion after analyzing hundreds of samples collected in the early stages of COVID. It involved analyzing millions of short fragments of genetic code, both DNA and RNA, to establish what animals and viruses were in the market in January 2020. Published in the journal Cell, the report is a compilation of a series of findings. Coronavirus as well as susceptible animals were detected in the same location, the report said, adding that some swabs had both animal and coronavirus genetic codes. The animal which came up most frequently in the sample was the common raccoon dog. It has been shown to catch both and transmit COVID in experiments. Other animals identified as a source of the virus were masked palm civet, hoary bamboo rats and Malayan porcupines. The report also cited the analysis of the genetic code of the viral samples found in the market and its comparison to samples from patients. The samples suggest, but do not prove, that COVID started more than once in the market, with potentially 2 spillover events from animals to humans. The researchers say this supports the idea of the market as the origin rather than the pandemic starting elsewhere.